Hello everyone, in this video we continue getting acquainted with SnapKit and what we will learn from this video. First of all, I show you how to use SnapKit with a few simple examples. And second one, I show you how you can use SwiftUI previews to visualize your view or screen in any UIKit application. Okay, first of all, I wanna set white background for our view controller. But right now we have the problem because we will not able to recognize where our launch screen and where is our view controller. For resolve this problem, I suggest you just add single label to our launch screen. For that you have to open a launch screen storyboard file and just add single label. I have to lay out this single label with typing just something focus up launch screen. Focus up launch screen. Okay, we can set bigger font and maybe set not regular but bold. Okay, focus up launch screen. Right now, if we run our application, we will see this label on our launch screen. And okay, this is launch screen, and when our application initializes it, we will see our view controller without this label. Now we can try add some view to our view controller. We will do that in our function view.load. Okay, for that we have to create object of UI view class. I named this object test view, UI view, and then we have to add this object as a subview to view the main to the main view of our view controller. View add test view. I wanna set another background color equal, for example, green. With that we can easily recognize our test view on the view controller. Okay, right now we can set size and position of our test view with SnapKit. For that, we typing test view.smp make constraints and here we can lay out our test view. We can set size. Let's doing width equal to, for example, 100. Height equal to 100. And I wanna, for example, center our view in the center of layout our view is the center of our view controller. Okay, let's go try launch our application. Okay, you can see our test view with a green background, and we set width and height to 100 and lay out our test view in the center of view controller. Okay, what means every line of this code? In this line, we just initialized our web object from UI view. This is just view. In the next line, we set background green to recognize our view on view controller. And the next line, we just add as a subview our test view to UI hierarchy of view controller. And the next line, we started lay out our view with special property SNP. And when you added SnapKit framework, every UI component, every UI element from UIKit will have this property. We can see what is this. This just computed property. And with this property, you can make constraints, or you can update, make it before constraints with a special block of code. And you can see that I use this sign, but you can use another create special variable, for example, make. You can see that in the SnapKit framework documentation, something like that, and it will be work perfect. But I don't like that. I more like short form of this block, and I will use it like that. Sorry if you don't like that. Now let's talk about how you can improve your development process, and I'm gonna show you how to use SwiftUI preview to visualize the changes, UI changes of particular UI view or UI view controller. For example, right now we set up this preview for our view controller, and for that you need just typing preview. You can see that appears special window, and we open this special block of code and in this block we have to initialize the view we want to visualize. In our case, this is view controller. And you can see our view controller. It's really cool tool because right now, if you want to see the changes of your UI, you don't need launch entire app, build and run entire app. And if you, for example, change background color, you can see that these changes in real time. Or, for example, you can set another width or another height, and it's really cool. And we will use this SwiftUI preview in every UI view or every screen of our application because it's really useful and cool tool. If you don't want to compile this code for release build, and I guess you don't, you can use a special conditional compilation directive like that. If debug. Okay, this is open, this construction, and you have to close this construction like that. Okay, right now this code will be compiled only in debug release because you use this code only for debug or development process only. You can use several previews. For that, I can just copy that and paste here. And for example, you can modify the second preview like that. You have to create constant see, and then you need return this view controller, and here you can modify your view controller. For example, let's set different background. For example, like that. And you can switch between two previews, and second preview has a green background, and first preview has a white background. And you can give custom this title for this preview. For example, you can typing green BG. White BG. Okay. It's work. Okay. We need only one preview. That's why let's remove this one. Okay, and remove this title, because we know that this preview of our view controller. Let's go back to the topic of our video, and I mean SnapKit, of course, and I'm gonna show you basis of SnapKit, and this is 80% of all you need to create a really cool UI in your UIKit applications. First of all, if you have, for example, equal value of width and height, 200, you can define this in one line. You can remove this line, and here after dot, we have to typing height, and this will be same that was before. And you can use it not only with width and height, you can use it in other properties, for example, top, bottom, trailing, leading, and so on. For example, if I want layout my view in not center of the screen, but the margins of top and leading the same value, I mean 200. For that, I just remove layouting in center line, and typing adding top and adding leading. Okay, but let's set 100. Okay, you can see that our width and height 100, top margin 100, and leading margin 100. And I define it all it in one line. It's really cool. Let's go to the next topic. And what about size of our view? You can set size with a special property size without this, I mean width and height, with only one property, size equal to, for example, 300. No, 200. Okay, right now we define size with one property and equal 200. That means our width and height equal 200. You can also layouting your view in not just in the center of view, but in the center, in the vertical center only, or in the horizontal center only. For that, you can just typing center x equal to super view, and you can remove this one. Okay, if you want layout your view in horizontal center, you have to type center Y and remove top and adding leading. Okay, what we have right now in our UI layouting. Our red view have a size 200, and that means our width and height equal 200, and leading margin equal 100. It's here, and the center Y, it means vertical center, equal to super view. Width of our red view equals to super view, and for that I have to remove this leading. Size I replace with height, and center Y I replace with width. Okay, and you can see that our view views width equal to super view width, and let's set the top offset 100. And okay, what can we do else with our view? You can for example remove this all and for example all ages equal to super view, and you can see that all ages of our red view equals to ages of our super view. And let's try set inset 12, for example, and you can see that there is now inset 12 in each age of our red view. Okay, how you can lay out several views. For that, I suggest create a second view, and this view, let's rename, for example, red view, and let's create second view, for example, green view, UI view, equal green. Okay, and let's add this green view as a subview to our UI hierarchy. Okay, this I suggest set size, for example, 100. Let's set center in the center of our entire screen. Okay, and let's try layout our second view, our green view. Compile it, suggest this. Okay, compile it, suggest a really cool code example. What we can see in this code, we created second view, named this second view green view, set this green view background color green, and then we lay out this green view with the center x equal to super view, size equal 100, this size the same the right view, and top of this green view equal to red view SnapKit bottom. And in other words, we set this top with this bottom with offset 20. It's really cool, and now you can, for example, center our red view with center X. Okay, and we can set top to equal to super view, offset, for example, 50, 150, and our green view is layout with equal bottom of our red view. It's really cool. Okay, that's all I had to you in this video. I'll show you the base of SnapKit, and you can get more details in the documentation of SnapKit. SnapKit has really cool documentation, and sorry for my mistakes. Sorry if I explaining something really bad. That's because my English not very well. And in the next video, I show you how to create really cool structure for your MVVM module. Bye bye.